In today's video, we are going to see about the Satyanarayana Sabha called the Temple of Wisdom. The Satyanarayana Sabha is a temple constructed by the Saivite saint Sri Ramalinga Swamigal called Vallalar in the town of Vadalur in Kadalur district of Tamil Nadu, India. The temple's octagonal structure, where the sanctum sanctorum of the temple is screened from the main hall by 7 curtains, which are parted only on the Thaipusam day. The wonder is all the 4 towers of Chidambaram Nataraja temple is visible from the Sabha. Here, the Satyanarayana Sabha consists of 3 Sabhas, the Sirchabai which represents moon or left eye of people, the Porchabai which represents sun or right eye of people, the third Jnana Sabai which represents the eye or the wisdom of people. The octagonal shape of the temple represents the 8 bones in human skull. Only 2 saints established Sangha in India and hold this tree. One is Gautama Buddha, another is Saint Vallalar. All Saivite madams are primarily for religious pupils to which common people only go when a need arises. But here Sabha is a place where common people can go, join, organize and they can interact with spiritual people. Vallalar clearly mentioned this in his poetry. The Sabha is a common place for everyone who follows Sarmakam called good way. The main theme of the mission is to dedicate himself for a selfless service to the human beings at large. It is this higher view of every religion to which the saint gives eminence. He holds compassion as the basis of higher sacred experiences. According to him, he who loves best serves best. The saint empathetically declares that love for God will develop in the human minds only and not in other creatures. When man develops compassion towards his fellow beings, he is said to prepare the ground the divine grace. Near Satyanarayana Sabha, there is a Dharmasalai where food for free is offered to thousands of people every day. This Dharmasalai has a stove which was lightened by Sri Ramalinga Swamigal, which is still being used for cooking. Also near the Dharmasalai, there is a Jiva Samadhi of Kallapatta Ayya. He was the second Sarmarki attaining Diksha from Vallalar. Arulprakasa Vallalar, also called Chidambaram Ramalingam, was one of the most famous Tamil saints and also one of the greatest Tamil poets of the 19th century, belongs to a line of Tamil saints known as Jnana Siddhars. The summarizes of the Sanmarka Sangam was spread and passed by him not only in theory but mainly in practice by his own way of living, which itself is an inspiration for his followers. According to Suddha Sanmarka Sangam, the prime aspects of human life should be love connected with charity and divine practice leading to achievement of pure knowledge. Without divine grace, abiding for love for God is not possible. The saint has used the term Jiva Karunyam to donate profound compassion. It is said, giving importance to his subject, he has dealt with the subject in 7 parts, but at present only 3 of them are available. Compassion is the fundamental trait of the saint. This factor is apparent from his poetic appeals to the Almighty. There are 2 aspects for the compassionate service: doing good to fellow beings when they suffer from hunger, thirst, disease, fear, ignorance, and poverty; refraining from killing and taking flesh. As regards the first, he puts more stress on relieving hungry from hunger. It is the supreme help. The other kind of people can be easily rendered by anybody else, as they are supplementaries and sustain the life for some more time. The saint insists that one should give help to all souls with his earned money through his own physical labor. When this is not possible, he should at least pray for them. Ramalinga Swamigal advocated the concept of worshipping the flame of lightened lamp as a symbol of eternal power. I hope this video would have been more beneficial to know about the Satyanarayana Sabha. Thanks people for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.